Prime Minister Andrew Holness releases financial records to 3 media houses. The OPM explains why those 3. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, a Supreme Court judge has called for cops to step up their investigations into lottery scamming.
More concern about a recommendation coming out of the West Kingston Inquiry report.
The opposition continues to bash the government over what it says is a steady increase in the cost of living in Jamaica.
In the financial week, PSOJ president to demit office in August.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
By releasing his financial records to 2 newspapers and a radio station, has the Prime Minister fulfilled his promise to make the records public?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.